Hello world, I'm doing a quick little product review for this ring light that I bought. I forget the exact product name, but I just want to show you. This is what it looks like with the light on. It's attached directly to the, I'm going to call it the lip of my laptop screen, the very top, which is to the right of this webcam that I'm using. This is what it looks like when it's on. This is what it looks like when it's off. I'll turn it back on. I'll go through all of the different lights that you can use. Or excuse me, that's brightness. Lights, okay. So lots of options for you, and then you can even turn it down as well. So there's a lot you can do with this. I highly recommend this purchase. It was like maybe 30 bucks with shipping in my case, and it works like a charm for me. If you're obviously doing some heavy video editing and you're like a YouTuber, this might not be the one for you, but if you're just doing video conferences, it's great. Cheers.